That's what I told him. Hey, I'm all good, baby. How you doing, ID?
Hey, Desi.
Hey, what's up, man?
What's up, man? Tony in?
Yeah, he got it a while ago. Enjoy your night.
Please, after you. Wow.
ID.
Okay, good evening, my friend. How are you? See, it's me. Yes, you okay? So I'm good? I'm good? Yes, okay. Ladies, hide your titties!
Yeah, what's my name, baby? What's my name? Ooh, yeah.
You're late.
Sorry, man. Something came up.
No doubt.
What's going on?
I'm trying to figure a way out of this shit. I got a plan to keep that pair of chumps, Rocco and Vince, happy. Come on, I'll explain as we go. Whoa, just a quick hello. Gentlemen, my name's Tony Prince. Hope you're enjoying yourselves.
Great Bulgarian. Tell me, where are the women?
Well, they're everywhere. It's, that one over there's a TV starlet. That one there is a model. And that one there, I don't know, but I believe she just signed on with the Derriere campaign.
How much? The fuck, I mean?
No. They're not hookers. It's not that kind of club.
Everywhere is that kind of club. You just need to know how much to pay.
Yeah, well, listen. Can I buy you a gentleman a drink? Cindy, come here. Take care of Mr. Bulgar in here. It's good to meet you. Please come back. Enjoy your night. My right-hand man, Luis, will take care of you. Good night.
Thank you.
So, gentlemen, more drinks?
Yes, please. Let's go. So how's it going, gentlemen?
The faggot is your boss?
Sure.
Must make for funny times at Boulevard.
Hysterical.
Where does the coke come from in this place?
I don't know about that shit, man. I just make sure people don't get killed.
How very boring. I prefer it when they do.
Hey, you should come back on a busier night then. Normally it's wall-to-wall corpses by midnight.
You, right. Faggot, not so much.
Hey, gentlemen, thank you. Luis, we gotta go. Good night. Jesus, Russian, richer than the church. Buy this place, end all our troubles.
Yeah, nothing like Russian gangsters to bring a sense of peace and stability to a problem.
You gotta go to Bahama Mamas.
Mama's is more Rocco style than our place. Tell me he's gonna start hanging out with all that bridge and tunnel crowd rather than us?
Don't we wish? No, sadly, he just wants you to talk to a lady in there. Do what you do best, partner.
You ain't coming?
Please,
You think having a bastard old queen on your arm is some kind of aphrodisiac? Just try and forget it's a job.
Come on, honey.
The day has finally come, T. You've become my pimp, and I finally lost my self-respect. Later, bro.
Please, baby.
Good to get some fresh air. That's right! I'm sorry, you can't enter it this time. Steroids are for chumps!
That's some deep shit.
Really?
up, papi? Whoa, baby, take it easy on me, okay? I had a long day.
I'm gonna make you forget all about that.
I bet you will.
Hey, yo, shit. I think Serge wanted to see you outside. Serge just got the night off. Come on. Wait, hold on a minute. I mean, get the fuck out of my way. Move! Hey, Vic.
Mío. Ay, sí, right there. Chúpalo, nena, ahí, right there.
The fuck are you?
Oh, Vic, you were supposed to be in Venturas.
You whore! I paid for those fucking lips, and this is how you repay me?
Hold on, I can explain.
Hold on!
Please.
Yo, that's not cool, bro.
You put your cock in my woman's mouth, and you think it's cool? Asshole.
Hey!
I bet that slimy prick had this plan.
You make a fun target.
These nalgas are crazy.
Just let me out of this place. This place ain't gonna be open for a long time. If that guy wasn't Venturas, this wouldn't be a problem. I don't know where the guy's gonna go now.
Santos was telling me something bad. One day, they'll be selling my designs in here. Excuse me.
I say I want my plata
Sorry,
now.
man.
No bullshit. See?
I can smell your fucking breath from here.
Excuse me.
Dominicans eat pussy, girl. Go suck yourself.
Luis,
You got Rocco there with you, T? Is he there?
what's got into you? Why are you so moody, Luis? You should talk to someone.
Yeah, I get moody after I'm nearly killed, Tony. And that's happening a lot right now. Fuck! Monique's boyfriend wasn't in Venturas. The whole fucking club got shot to shit!
Okay, I see why you're upset. Get some rest and we'll talk soon. You're keeping us afloat here, Luis.
Maybe I need gatilleros for this shit.